Hello, welcome to Hispanic Construction Jobs. We have this wonderful opportunity to share with you today. And first, we're going to go right here to HispanicConstructionJobs.com. And we are going to talk about this job right here. And it is posted by Ames Community College. And it is for an instructor, automotive, collision and repair. And it's located in Windsor, Colorado. And it pays $47,736 annually. Wow. And here's some of the instructions, job description, minimum qualifications, preferred qualifications, and some more details. And to apply to this job, you are going to click this green button or this green button where it says apply to this job. Or let's see, and then if you haven't already signed up for the job alerts, go ahead and do so, and you're going to click this green button right here where it says create alert. And then you can come back to the home page and you can do your own job search right here. And there are plenty and plenty of pages of jobs. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. That way you never miss another wonderful job opportunity. Have a great day. Thank you.